Crystal Craft Film channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing this 3-in-1 easy sweep. It's supposed to be a broom, mop, and a dustpan. So I've already opened this item, so let's check out what's inside. I picked the color, which is my favorite, like a teal or aqua color. So here it is. Where's the handle here? So this comes with like 10 attachments for like the mop. So I have like 10 little rags here that you can attach in the bottom of the... So as you can see, there's already one attached. So there's 10 extra more. So it's pretty small. It doesn't look very big. So let's check out what's in the bottom of this. So there's 2 brushes here, and then there's a bristle over here. And I think there should be like a compartment here for where your trash... I think it's this one. So this is like your dustpan here in the bottom. And we're gonna try it out later. Check what's inside of the box.
I'll get it.
So there you go. This is the handle. It's pretty straightforward. Just the broom part, some handle, and then some attachments. So you can purchase this without the attachment, but it's nice to have this extra attachment so I don't have to buy it later. So let's see, it's easy to remove. So it's attached using a Velcro. So see, as you can see, it's a Velcro. There's a Velcro here and a Velcro here for attachment. And can you help me assemble this, Naomi? The handles. So it comes with 3 attachments that you're supposed to screw together. So Naomi, can you screw this for please?
Okay.
That's pretty easy. A kid can do it. So we've attached the pole. It's attached, and then insert it here. And see that little crack in there. I don't know how long this plastic is gonna hold. I'm not sure if they're sturdy or not. As you can see, like it pivots sideways and forward, backward. So, and it's pretty lightweight. So let's try it out. You want to try it out?
Yeah.
So we're gonna try it out right now. We'll look for some dust and trash in the house. I'm trying to... We just swept the house, so we're gonna try to put some... Isn't that cool, Noah? Look, it's sweeping.
Can I do it?
You want to do it? Yeah.
I found some tiny stuff.
So now they like to sweep the house.
And to wash dishes.
We have a few rice crumbs on the floor, so I'm gonna have my kid try it out and see if it will sweep all those little crumbs. Come on, Yummy. You're right, Yummy. That is not how you do it. Forward. Yummy, that's not how you do it, Naomi. You're pushing it back.
Like what?
Let's see. Just push. I got it. It ate it. It's gone. Magic. Wow, so it actually works. There you go. Now you can sweep the house.
Yay! I'll do sweeping.
You like it?
Yes.
Alright, so there's our little experiment. So this room actually works, and it looks nice, and the color is really cute. So that one works too. So that's our unboxing for today. Hope this video helps. And can you check the inside of the... Let's check the... You just have to be gentle with the like pivot.
Yes, it did.
Let me see. You have to be gentle with this piece because it could snap if you're not very careful. So there you go. Here's our trash. It ate the trash. Cool. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Now we don't need a sweep now.